guys, welcome back. So today I have a new wig for you guys. So I haven't done wigs in a pretty long time just because I got my hair done and I have like extensions and stuff, but I absolutely love this company, so I wanted to show you a new wig that I got. This is my first wig. This is like one of the first people that like really sent me wigs and stuff, and how I really started into really be into wigs. So I love this brand. So it's my first wig, and it's so great because it's for like when it's your very first time getting a wig. So it has your box, and then it's in here, and then it's like a thing where you can like hang it up here, and I also put it inside here also. And then it also comes with a bunch of things that you can use for like your very new first time wig. So this has things for like, so it's not all like, what is the word? Frizzy. You have this in there, it like as a tamer. It also has the cap, because you definitely need one of these. And then on here they also have another little bag, and on the inside it has like clips and things like this, little clips. It has a strap if you want one, and then it also has little bobby pins. So they bring all of this stuff in there, they give it to you because they know this is the first time you're going to be using a wig, and so it's really, really helpful to have everything ready for you because they know you probably haven't used one yet. But the new wig that I have is definitely different. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys. So I was talking to them, and I really want one that has a dark like root, but then it also goes into like your color. So I'm gonna show you guys how this one works. So on the inside you can see it has nothing in there. So there are two little clips here. And then you need to cut off everything else. One thing I love about this brand is because they make it so good, like your part. It is like, look how amazing it looks. Like their stuff is just so good. So I already have a brand, so I'm just gonna kind of put this in here. So you want to make sure you're keeping everything nice and like tight. So it doesn't all like fall. So we have this on here, and I'm just gonna go right in and show you guys what it looks like. So once again, I have not brushed it, I haven't curled it, I haven't straightened it, so if it looks funky, it's just because it's been in the box. But I'm just gonna put this right in and show you guys how easy this is to put on. So obviously it would look better than this because I have a lot of hair now, but this is the wig. I have not cut the lace or anything yet. I'm just gonna kind of keep that in for right now. And then it looks like this. So you can see I did not straighten it, I did not curl it, I did not do anything. This is what it came right into the box. So I absolutely love the color. I think it's absolutely amazing, and I'm just very happy with this wig. And like they always have amazing things from the wig, and like look how good it looks, and it's just right out of the box. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it could, oh, it's just so good. I'm going to cut the lace really quick, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I cut the lace and I put some curls in, and yeah, I think this wig is absolutely stunning, like stunning. I just love the color, I just love the length. I just think they did such an amazing job. I could not, literally I couldn't even be more happier. Like it just looks so good, and like you can like move it around, and it's like, it's just beautiful. It is just absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I put the link for this wig down below because trust me, You guys are gonna want it. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.